Hey guys, vin tande comment Shou t'a remercié président Trump parce qu'il remette disponible TikTok dans United States. Entendez avec guys et puis n'attendez tout ça.
Hi everyone, the Shou here. As you know,
Of
I've been
course.
fighting to protect
Shou
the
content.
right to free speech.
Shou c'est CEO TikTok là.
Million Americans who use our platform
CEO a content. Nous comment la remercier président Trump.
and achieve their dreams.
Yes, CEO a content. Parce que you remette TikTok disponible dans United States.
His commitment to work with us,
Of
find
course,
a
Shou
solution that
content.
keeps TikTok
Et
available
nous
in the
content
United
tout.
States. This is a strong stand for the First Amendment and against arbitrary
Non, bagay.
censorship. As we've said,
Yeah.
TikTok is a place where people can create
Shou vraiment
communities,
content.
discover new interests, and express themselves, including over 7 million
c'est
American
appliqué content
businesses
bande
who earn a living and gain new
Parce que
customers
vous
through our
remettez
platform. We are grateful
TikTok
and pleased to
disponible
have the support of a president
dans
who
United
truly
States.
understands our platform, one who has used TikTok to express his own
Attendez,
thoughts
bagay.
and perspectives,
Dans
connecting with
USA.
the world and generating more than 60 billion views of his content
Attendez.
in the process. To all American
Et
users,
plus passé
thank you for
78
making our TikTok
millions.
community to rich and vibrant states, for
Et plus
surprising and
passé
delighting us every
170
day. Rest
millions.
assured, we will do everything in our power to ensure our platform thrives as your online home for limitless creativity and discovery, as well as a
Anyway
source
guys,
of
c'est ça
great
m'te pote pour nous. Restez connectés avec like, partager et puis m'a venir avec l'autre vidéo plus belle parce que ça touche. OK? Thank you guys.